Join me as I dive into the world of Tesla's new Powerbank and see if it's really worth the investment. So, let's talk about the Tesla Powerbank. This thing is a beast with a sleek design and some impressive features that set it apart from the competition. It's got a large capacity, fast charging speeds, and a durable build that's made to last. But how does it really stack up against other power banks on the market? One of the biggest problems with conventional power banks is that they often fall short when it comes to capacity. You charge them up, use them for a day, and then they're dead again. It's frustrating, and it's something that Tesla's Powerbank is trying to solve. With a large battery capacity, this thing can charge your devices multiple times before needing a recharge. That's a game changer for anyone who's always on the go. Another issue with power banks is charging speed. We've all been there. You're waiting for your power bank to charge so you can top off your phone, but it's taking forever. Tesla's Powerbank, on the other hand, supports fast charging so you can get back to using your devices quickly. And let's not forget about durability. We've all seen power banks that start to degrade after a few months of use. Tesla's Powerbank is built to last, with a rugged design that can withstand the rigors of daily use. But what really sets Tesla's Powerbank apart is its ability to charge multiple devices at once. Whether you're trying to charge your phone, your laptop, and your tablet, or you've got a whole crew of devices that need power, this thing can handle it. And with its advanced safety features, you can trust that your devices are protected from overcharging and overheating. Let's take a closer look at the specs of the Tesla Powerbank and see how it stacks up against the competition. On paper, it looks impressive, a large capacity, fast charging speeds, and a durable design. But what do real-world users think? I've scoured the reviews, and what I've found is that people love this thing. They're using it to charge their devices on the go, and they're reporting back with glowing reviews. One of the things that really stands out about the Tesla Powerbank is its charging speed. People are reporting that they can charge their devices from 0 to 100 in just a few hours, which is incredible. And the capacity is massive. Users are reporting that they can charge their devices multiple times before needing to recharge the Powerbank. It's clear that Tesla has put some serious thought into designing a Powerbank that can keep up with our fast-paced lives. But what about durability? I've seen some reviews from people who have been using the Tesla Powerbank for months, and they're reporting back that it still looks and feels like new. That's impressive, especially given the rugged design. It's clear that Tesla has built this thing to last, and it's going to withstand the rigors of daily use. So what's the most compelling evidence that the Tesla Powerbank is a game changer? For me, it's the sheer number of devices it can charge at once. I've seen people using it to charge their whole crew of devices, phones, laptops, tablets, and more, and it's handling it with ease. That's a level of convenience that you just don't find with other power banks. Another piece of evidence that really stands out is the reviews from people who have used other power banks in the past. They're saying that the Tesla Powerbank is a cut above the rest, with faster charging speeds and a more durable design. That's a powerful endorsement, and it's something that really makes me take notice. And then there's the unique features, things like the advanced safety features and the sleek design. These are the kinds of touches that set the Tesla Powerbank apart from the competition, and they're a big part of why it's so compelling. Whether you're looking for a power bank that can keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle, or you just want something that's going to last, the Tesla Powerbank is a great choice. So, is the Tesla Powerbank a worthy investment? Based on what I've seen, I'd say yes. It's got a large capacity, fast charging speeds, and a durable design. It's a power bank that can keep up with your lifestyle, and it's going to last you for a long time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments about the Tesla Powerbank. If you're looking for more tech reviews, be sure to check out my other videos for the latest and greatest in the world of tech.